Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI. My husband and I love making fun videos, particularly with things that make us nostalgic of our childhood. So this Wayne's World wig set by ALLAURA definitely fit in that category. Now, I've used wigs from this company before and I was blown away by the quality. Not only is the hair so nice and shiny and realistic looking, but it really captures the look of both of these characters, and we had so much fun using it. It has the nice mesh on the lining of the wigs that goes on your head, so it allows your head to breathe and not overheat while you're doing the skit. I also liked the elastic piece, the back that had a hook, which allowed it to fit a little bit more snug on your head, so you don't have to worry as you are moving around, acting out, that it's going to fall out. The hat, they could have easily put together a cheap looking baseball cap, but it is a real baseball cap through and through with the embroidering of Wayne's World on the top. It is just a nice quality, good looking hat. The glasses, also very high quality, plastic, sturdy screws. I just loved everything about it. Also appreciate how well made the packaging that it comes in, because it's got those plastic snaps. The plastic is such strong quality so that you actually have something to store it in and then put it in your craft bin or your studio. If you are going to a themed party, doing a skit, anything like that, I highly recommend this wig set and the company in general. I've always been extremely impressed and I'm going to continue using them. And that's my point of view.